Once upon a time, in a magical land far, far away, lived a curious little boy named Timmy. Timmy was known for his bright blue eyes and his insatiable curiosity. One day, while wandering through the enchanted forest, he stumbled upon a mysterious creature. This creature was none other than a Thestral, a mythical horse with a sleek black body and ghostly transparent wings. Timmy was scared at first, but the Thestral didn't seem to mind. Instead, it tilted its head and beckoned Timmy closer. "Hello, young one," the Thestral said in a soft, whispering voice. "I've been waiting for someone like you. I have a quest for you." "A quest?" Timmy asked, his eyes wide with excitement. "What kind of quest?" "I need you to help me find the lost magical flowers," the Thestral explained. "These flowers hold the power to help sick creatures in our land. But they have been stolen by the wicked Sorcerer Zorg." Timmy knew he had to help. He agreed to embark on the quest, and the Thestral led him through the forest, across the mountain, and finally to Sorcerer Zorg's dark castle. Inside the castle, they found the flowers guarded by Zorg's minions. Timmy and the Thestral bravely fought off the minions, and with a swift move, Timmy grabbed the flowers. "Now, we must return these flowers to their rightful place," the Thestral said as they raced back through the forest. They returned the flowers to the garden of the magical land, and the sick creatures began to heal. Timmy returned home, tired but happy. He had helped the magical creatures and made a new friend in the Thestral. From that day on, Timmy was known as the brave adventurer who saved the land with the help of the mysterious Thestral. And as he went to sleep that night, he knew he would always remember his magical adventures. The end.